Today, we will talk about how to burglar-proof your home. Let's have a look at the details. Looking to foil a burglar. Foiling a burglar means preventing a thief from robbing your home or catching them in the act. If they do break in, with a few handy hacks, you can prevent burglars from wanting to enter your home at all. Keep watching to learn everything you'll need to know about foiling burglars to keep you and your family safe. Lock your doors and windows. Stop opportunistic burglars by locking up whenever you leave. It might sound like a no-brainer, but many people leave their doors or windows unlocked when they head out to run a quick errand. A couple of minutes is all a burglar needs. It doesn't matter if you're only going down the block. Be sure to lock your doors and your windows whenever you head out. Install deadbolt locks on your doors. Deadbolts are much harder to break than push-button locks. If you don't have deadbolts on your doors already, buy some and install them to deter burglars. While burglars can sometimes still open deadbolts, they take much more time and effort to break into. Lock your garage door. Secure your garage to keep burglars away from your home. You'd be surprised at how many people leave their garage doors unlocked or even open for long periods of time. Even if you're just inside, shut your garage door and lock it to prevent an opportunistic burglar from taking a look around. Close your window coverings. Prevent burglars from peeking into your home by shutting blinds and curtains. Many burglars will look inside your home to see if there's anything worth taking before actually trying to enter. Hide valuable items. Valuable items tell a potential thief that you're a good target. Expensive grills, nice lawnmowers, and even expensive cars tell burglars that your home is worth breaking into. Keep your valuables hidden in your garage or in a shed to deter people from looking around. Trim back trees and shrubs. Get rid of hiding spots by cutting back foliage near your home. Your large bushes might be a nice privacy shield from your neighbors, but they're also the perfect spot for a burglar to hide. Don't hide keys outside. Burglars will often look for hidden keys around your home. Hiding your key under a rock or your welcome mat might sound like a good idea, but actually, you're just inviting a thief to open your front door. Keep your keys on your person or give an extra set to a friend instead of leaving them outside. Put up signs about a home security system. Many thieves shy away from homes with alarm systems. A thief is much more likely to target a home that doesn't have an alarm system than one that does. Put your lights on a timer. Having your lights on a timer makes your home look occupied. When you're away for multiple days at a time, have your lights turn on at night, and then turn off around bedtime. That way, it seems like someone is still home. Have a radio or TV on a timer. Have a timer turn the radio or TV on or off automatically at night, so it seems like someone inside is doing it. Keep your vacation plans private. Telling others your home will be unoccupied makes it a target. When you go on vacation, don't post about it on social media or tell a ton of people. Have someone house sit when you're gone. Pay a friend to stay at your home so it's not unoccupied. They can take the mail in, water your plants, and generally upkeep your home, so thieves know someone is there. Pause deliveries when you're gone. Prevent mail from piling up so burglars don't know that you're gone. If you're heading out of town for an extended period of time, contact the post office and ask them to pause your mail service until you're back. Invest in an alarm system. Home security systems are great burglar deterrents and great for catching burglars, too. Camera doorbells are the most minimal type of security you can add to your home. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.